Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook red rice. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a flavorful dish. You will need 1 cup of red rice, 2 cups of liquid, either water or broth, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For an extra touch, have 1 teaspoon of olive oil or butter ready. These simple items form the foundation of perfectly cooked red rice, providing a delightful side dish for any meal. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in achieving the best taste and texture. Proper preparation is key to achieving excellent red rice. Start by rinsing your 1 cup of red rice under cold running water in a fine mesh sieve. This step effectively removes excess starch and any potential impurities, ensuring a cleaner, fluffier outcome. While not strictly necessary, soaking the rice in cool water for about 30 minutes before cooking can significantly reduce its cooking time and contribute to a more tender texture. Remember to drain it well before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's combine our ingredients for cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pot, add your 1 cup of well-drained red rice, 2 cups of water or broth, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you are using olive oil or butter, add 1 teaspoon now for a richer flavor and better texture. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Give it just 1 gentle stir to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed before moving on to the simmering phase. After the initial boil, reduce the heat to the lowest setting and cover the pot tightly. Allow the red rice to simmer undisturbed for about 40 to 45 minutes. It is crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as steam is essential for proper cooking. Once the simmering is complete, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the tender grains before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.